Hey guys, today we'll be talking about the importance of a dash cam. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. At the very least, you should have a single lens dash cam that points outward towards traffic. But it's better to have a dual lens dash cam that also records the packs. The most important reason? Security. Video recording doesn't lie. You want to be able to record the honest truth of what happened during an incident. For accidents, this will prove that you weren't in the wrong, assuming it wasn't your fault. For traffic violations, you could be able to prove that you shouldn't have received that ticket. If there's a shady cop that's gunning for you because you're a rideshare driver. We all know cops have quotas, even if they say they don't, so rideshare drivers are easy targets for them. And of course, the shady packs. If you have a dual lens dash cam and are recording the packs, they will definitely behave better in your car. Make sure the dash cam is in plain sight so they can see it. This will be a nice deterrent from them trying anything. They will be less likely to try and steal things from your back seat. Or, if they try and scam you, you've got the proof right there that you were in the right and they were in the wrong, and that they should be deactivated. Also make sure that if you live in a 2-consent party state like California, that you have stickers or signs. Here's the ones I have. I have one sign posted on the headrest of my passenger front seat. I'll also link you to those stickers on Amazon if you want to buy them. Video is always legal, so you don't need the pack's consent, but for audio, you do. So if you have a dash cam where you can shut off the audio, you don't even need the signs at all. I would advise though, if you're going to have a dash cam, you might as well record audio anyway. The audio can sometimes be just as critical as the video when it's put in context. Now that you've heard this information, does that prioritize you to get a dash cam ASAP? And for drivers that have a dash cam, I'd love to hear some stories that made the cam worth it. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.